Project using an Immersion Microscribe 3DL series of a robotic actuator, and it has 5 rotary encoders in it. This is a 5-axis robotic arm with 2 linear actuators and 3 stepper motors. The goal is to have 5 full axes of motion, high strength and high precision, with the eventual goal of placing a tool head here for a 3-dimensional pantograph functionality. The entire system runs on 24 volts DC. We have 2 small coprocessors here to interpret signals from the Immersion 3DL. And we have a main processor here, which is an Arduino, to help run the linear encoders or linear actuators. That's it.